course saw it. Here's an extended and elegant English description of carnelian agate, crystal warrock, crafted to highlight its beauty, symbolism, and uses. Carnelian agate crystal warrock, a gem of earthly warmth and spiritual power. Carnelian agate, known locally as crystal warrock, is a captivating gemstone celebrated for its warm hues and grounding energy. With colors that range from fiery orange to deep crimson, blended with natural patterns that resemble fallen autumn leaves, this stone is truly a gift from the heart of the earth. Formed over millions of years through mineral-rich processes, each piece carries a story of time, transformation, and elemental power. Physical characteristics: color, shades of orange, red, copper, and occasional earthy browns resembling leaf veins. Transparency, translucent to semi-opaque. Hardness, rated 6.5 to 7 on the Mohs scale. Texture, smooth and silky when polished, offering a luxurious feel. Spiritual and symbolic significance. Carnelian agate is revered as a stone of vitality, courage, and emotional warmth. Used since ancient times in amulets and royal jewelry, it is believed to boost confidence and personal power, promote creativity and motivation, offer emotional healing by calming anger and replacing it with love, protect against envy and negative energies. It resonates strongly with the sacral chakra, making it ideal for those seeking balance between passion and peace, or those working in creative and expressive fields. Uses: jewelry, perfect for rings, pendants, bracelets, and traditional talismans. Spiritual practices, used in meditation and energy healing to activate and cleanse chakras. Cultural decoration, often embedded in Moroccan prayer beads, handcrafted boxes, and artisanal